Ready to reclaim your website's privacy? With Paymattic, you can do it without breaking a sweat. In this video, I'll show you how to disable IP addresses logging in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. It's pretty simple. To disable it, we gotta head over to Settings. So let's quickly jump over there from the WordPress dashboard. All right, we are here. Scroll down a bit and we can see an option called Other Settings right here. Now, disable the option with a simple tick. But if you need to, you can always turn it back on. It's that easy. Want no bots accessing your site? No worries. You can easily enable the honeypot security, as most of the bots will be failing this test. All safe from the prying eyes of the automated bots. Lastly, hit save. We don't want to lose all the things we just did. All set. So go ahead and navigate your digital space with confidence. If you have any queries or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. See you next time!